plan to retire July 1 and start practicing law with my son Brian, who has a law office here in town, and I think there's things I can do to help him in his law practice. I also want to do some mediating. I used to do that before I started as a judge, and look forward to doing some mediations in private practice. But my focus will be on trying to help address the access to justice problem that we have in Bibb County. It's a national problem. It's all over the country, but it's certainly here in Bibb County, and we have some lawyers doing things to help that, but there's so much room for additional help, and I think I can maybe bring to bear 40 years of being a lawyer and an entire lifetime in Bibb County to help folks who cannot afford to get a lawyer, who don't have access to legal services, to get that access and get legal assistance. The Georgia Legal Services Program here in town does a great job, but they are overwhelmed at the magnitude of their task. They cover like 26 counties, not just Bibb County, and they're concerned about funding and the new federal budget, so they need all the help they can get. And some local lawyers do help them, and they do a good job, but there's so many more people that need the assistance that aren't getting it. So I'm of the belief that the need is great, but the ability and heart to meet that need is also great. We can do better, and I think eventually we could have a legal clinic in town. That would be good. That's something I'm looking ahead to. And in the meantime, we've got an incubator program for young lawyers that we can provide them a setting where they get mentoring and other support to start their legal careers, with the understanding that part of the deal for getting that assistance is that they will help represent folks who cannot afford their legal services, and that once they leave that program, they would hopefully continue to do that type of practice, a socially conscious practice. And as that program goes along and more lawyers come through it, it's just one element of hopefully be a multifaceted approach to how can we improve access to justice in Bibb County. So we got several things we're looking at, and I'm excited about the possibilities.